Hey, this is Charles Zaputo with Yukon Learning, and I'm doing the, tell part of my show and tell of my fire extinguisher training. I'm actually going to do this in two parts. I think there's two big points of this. There's the pull interaction, and then the sweeping interaction. I'm going to do the sweep a little bit later. So to the pull, how did I achieve this? So just a quick preview. Let's see what it looked like. Okay, here we go. So we're in the introduction, and this is the first one. So I'm going to hit continue. And so the interaction is that the user would click on the hand and drag it over to the ring and pull it out. And that proceeds us on to the next. So it looks like it's one little slide, but it's in fact two. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So the best way I thought to do this was to create actually two slides. First pull is literally a simple drag and drop. So I'm dragging the hand over to this area, actually over to the ring. And then it sort of snaps to it, so even if you drag a little bit off, it'll snap into the, well, actually take that back, it doesn't snap into it, I'm sorry. The snap to it actually put it right in the middle, because they're center of masses. So I actually turned that off. But when I created it, when you drag it over that, it actually automatically advances to the next slide, which appears to then snap to. Sorry, it's been actually a while since I created this. I'm just now showing it off. Okay, so literally that's what it is. It's a drag and drop. You drop it onto this area, and it advances you to the next slide, which then snaps to. But then on this one, we have a similar thing when the user actually drags this, and this is actually two objects that become one image. And so it looks like they're joining together. So before, they were two separate images. Now on this slide, they're one image. You actually drag this. It's actually, the pin comes out from behind a little mask there, and you drop it anywhere in this area, which I figured was big enough to do this. I didn't figure I had to spell it out too much. I didn't figure anybody would be dragging it up here in the top right corner, dragging it out this way, and it would work. The one other thing that I did to try to help learners out, in case they didn't quite understand the instructions, is that if you click on the ring directly, you actually get an incorrect layer, and so that gives you some directions to actually use the hand, drag it over to the pin, and pull it out. So I'm going to go through the little bit more complex one a little bit later, the sweep, but it took a little bit more thought. That was actually the biggest trouble I had with this exercise, so I'll talk about that next time. If you have any additional questions, let me know.